everyone, and welcome to another episode of Don't Keep Up with the Joneses. It's your girl Chrystle, and I'm excited because if you haven't heard, we are going to be launching multiple channels on January 1st, and this is a Mile in My Stilettos edition. Now, on a Mile in My Stilettos, I give all kinds of lifestyle and beauty tips, and so today I am going to be giving you guys a sneak peek of one of those beauty tips, and that is my Smile Direct Club aligner journey. You guys, I am over halfway through this journey and I cannot wait for it to be over. Listen, you start off very excited and then you're like, I want to quit, and then you're like, oh my god, I can't believe it's finally about to end. But I'm happy because these results. So for those of you who don't know, I'll catch you up to speed very quickly. My Smile Direct Club journey was set to be 16 aligners, 4 months in total, and well, no, so I think like 14 aligners. Let me take all that back and let me just say I know that it was set to be 4 months. Some of the aligners you wear 1 week, some of them you wear 2 weeks. It's like 1 week, 1 week, 2 week, 1 week, 1 week, 2 week. And so that's why I just got a little thrown off by the number of aligners. But what I do know is it was a 4-month smile plan. I am on aligner number 11. My plan is set to end on December the 8th. So I only have about 3 weeks to go and I will be completely done with my smile. Now, things that you need to know if you're thinking about doing Smile Direct. 1, go in person to get your impressions done. I feel like people that do their impression kits at home have issues with the aligners fitting. I've heard that in the past, and I went in person and did mine, and honestly, I've not had an issue with any of my aligners fitting except one. Now, what did I do when that one aligner did not fit? I skipped it and I went to the next week aligner. I think it was number 8 that didn't fit, so I just skipped to week number 9, and then I just wore week number 9 longer. Of all of my aligners that I had, only one of them has truly not fit. Like, I just couldn't get it in. Now, another thing that I would say is sometimes the back part of your aligner will not fit. I'm gonna get my current aligner so you can see it. So this is the aligner right here. Sometimes this back portion of your aligner is going to have issues fitting, and this is a little hack that I learned from somebody online, which they probably don't care for you doing, but I'm not waiting 2 weeks, because if your aligner doesn't fit, you have to wait 2 weeks for them to send you a new aligner. I'm not trying to be in this situation any longer than I already am. So what I do is I run it under hot water and then I just pinch it together so that it fits in the back. And so the only place that I've ever had any issue with the aligner fitting is in the back over the molars. It doesn't completely cover your molars anyway, but yeah, I just squeeze it so that then it'll fit more snug without popping off, and I've only had to do that like twice. So even then, again, of all the aligners that I've had, I'll write the number right here for you guys. I'm so sorry, I just can't remember right now. But of all the aligners that I've had, I've only had an issue with 2 aligners just having to even do the moldy thing, and one aligner just not fitting in again. I just skipped to the next week aligner. Other things that you really should keep in mind: your tongue is going to hurt when you first start wearing these aligners, when major shifts starts to occur, and that's just because it's getting used to the plastic being in your mouth. Another thing that you should know, which I briefly mentioned, if you have an issue with an aligner, maybe you crack it and break it, maybe it doesn't fit at all, something like that, it's gonna be at least a 2-week process for you to get another aligner for your smile journey to continue. So I just do everything I can. If it's real tight, I don't care. I just put it on and I make it work. It's supposed to be tight. Another thing you need to know is a lisp. Listen, my mouth, even though I don't have these aligners in right now, my the way that everything is changing in my mouth, I'm just gonna have to get used to talking again and not having a lisp. So it's it really is something that I'm having to deal with, because on the other channel I be doing voiceovers and stuff, and I know people can hear me like, oh yeah, so, and it's hard, it's a challenge. So that's one reason that I'm really excited that this journey is about to be over. But I'll definitely say that I would definitely go with them again. Smile Direct Club has a flat fee. It's $18.95. You pay $74 a month. The only way to lower that fee is if you pay for it all up front. So, you know, if you want to do that, go ahead, do you, pay for it all up front. But no matter how extensive or how small the adjustments may be, it's $18.95. I think that's great for people that are just knowing what they're gonna have to do straight out the gate, out the pocket. So that's a bonus for me about Smile Direct Club that I think is great. Something else that I love about Smile Direct Club is they have reminders that they send to your phone about when you're supposed to change your aligners. They have in-person places that you can go and get your impressions done. Again, I think that's super important. And now some of the cons. Obviously the cons, the lisp, that's a thing. The amount of time. If your journey is more than 6 months, because they can tell you about how long your journey will be before you commit to doing it. If they believe your journey is going to be longer than 6 months, I would say this might not be a good option for you unless you are extremely disciplined. Because again, I only had a 4-month plan and I already was feeling like quitting. It was rough. It was rough. Some of them weeks, and just trying to even think about having to really go through this for another 6 months or something like that, like I cannot. I'm honestly sure that I would probably quit. So if your Smile plan is kind of extended, I would say maybe look into going with a traditional braces option or something like that. But yeah, so overall, this is my Smile Direct Club journey. I've been enjoying it. I would definitely recommend it. If you want to see more videos about getting my impressions done or anything else having to do with my Smile Direct Club journey, make sure you click the link in the description box. I'll put that down, all of the Smile Direct Club videos. Make sure you check out the Mile in My Stilettos channel, where again you'll get lifestyle tips, all those kind of things. I'm doing a Pursuit of Destiny challenge, helping people live the life that they are purposed and called to live. So if you're feeling like your life feels kind of dry lately, like it's not exciting, it's a little hum-bum-dum, then definitely check that challenge out. This lisp is trying to get the best of you, girl. Definitely go and check that challenge out. It's going to be for you. It's going to transform your life in ways you didn't even imagine. So that's really exciting. Make sure you check that out on the Mile in My Stilettos channel. And of course, continue to stay connected right here for DIYs, all the gardening and palette things that are going on this channel, and find out more about the family channel we have coming up. We have some fun content that's coming with that, y'all. So we're excited. We've been planning all this content, getting everything together for you guys, because we take this seriously. We really take you guys seriously. We don't take you for granted. Watching these videos, subscribing to the channels, supporting us. We love you so much. Okay, so that's all I really have to say about this Smile Direct Club journey, about the channels, about all the stuff we have going on here. So don't forget, don't keep up with the Joneses. Be true to you. Subscribe to the channel, subscribe to all the channels, and I'll see you next time.